Hello dear students, welcome back. In this today's class, let us see about the inverse tangent function, or we may call it as a arc tangent function. Okay, so to make tan function inverse, so first we have to make it 1 on and on 2, that is bijective. So after that we should define the inverse of tangent function. Okay, so first see what is the tan function. Okay, we know that tangent function with the domain, tangent function domain is x such that x belongs to the R and x is not equal to the 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So its domain is except odd multiple of pi by 2, because when it is equal to the pi by 2, the value of tan will become infinite. Therefore, so domain is x such that x belongs to R and x is not equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. Okay, so see the graph, and its range is R. This is tan function domain and range, and its graph is here only. See, this is never equal to the minus pi by 2 or pi by 2. So it's pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. Here also minus 3 pi by 2, because it has a infinite values. It has a values from plus infinity to minus infinity, plus infinity to minus infinite values it has. Okay, and observe the graph of tan function. It is periodic function. So see, if I draw a line above and below the x-axis, so that line meets more than one points of the graph, therefore it is not a 1 1 and on 2, so that is not a bijective function. Therefore basically the tangent function is not invertible. Okay, so this means x is not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 means tangent function is not defined at odd multiple of pi by 2. Tangent function is not defined at odd multiple of pi by 2. Okay, so next, so to make it 1 1 and on 2, to make it 1 1 and on 2, we have to restrict its domain and range. We have to restrict its domain and range, that is, see here. So the function tan x becomes 1 1 and on 2. The tangent function will become 1 1 and on 2 on the interval. So see the intervals: minus pi by 2 pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2. See the intervals. This graph doesn't touches the line pi by 2, therefore we should take open brackets. Okay, open bracket minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2 in this region. In this region, so the function tan will become invertible, and it takes the value from plus infinity to the minus infinity, never ending lines. These two are never ending lines. Okay, and one more here, this is pi by 2 to the 3 pi divided by 2. Okay, and one more reason here, open bracket minus 3 pi divided by 2 to the minus pi divided by 2. Okay, so it takes all these ranges, will take the values from plus infinity to the minus infinity. And thus for this reasons, this or this inverse of tan will exist. Okay, that we will call as a inverse tangent function or arc tan function. We will call it as a arc tan function. In this region, minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2, open bracket, minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2 is called as the principal value branch. Okay, so the principal value branch of tan inverse is open bracket minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2, open bracket minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay, so means inverse, tan inverse, it is denoted by tan. This will become codomain, will become domain in the tan inverse, and its range is open bracket minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Instead of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, we can write this or this. Okay, in all these three regions tan will become bisective, it will become invertible. That's why, so I wrote here only the principal value branch. So tan inverse is from r to the open bracket minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay, so let us see the graph of tan inverse. This is the graph of tan x, graph of tan x. So I will draw here. Okay, y axis, this is x axis. Okay, so let us write, interchange the values of x and y axis. Write the pi values on the y axis in the inverse graph. Okay, right, this is a 0 point pi divided by 2 minus pi divided by 2. Okay, next here pi, then this is 3 pi divided by 2, then minus pi minus 3 pi divided by 2. Okay, so make intervals this. One and this one. Next, right, now draw the graph. So see the graph, just keep it here like a reverse, make it reverse. Okay, these graph never touches these lines. Okay, that's why this is open brackets. Next, okay, next is this. So this is the graph of tan inverse function. Okay, in this region, this minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2 is called as the principal value branch, that is principal value branch, open bracket minus pi by 2 to the pi by 2, open bracket because at the end points tan function will not define. That's why we will take a open brackets, right? So therefore now can write tan inverse of x equal to y implies then this tan y is equal to the x such that see x is input is r minus infinity to the plus infinity, and output is y, that is so minus pi by 2 y pi divided by 2. Input is x, so that is from minus infinity to the plus infinity. Minus infinity open bracket x plus infinity. So this is the about inverse tangent function. Okay, so now let us see the problems, examples. So see, first one, tan inverse of 0 is equal to the, so when tan is 0, when it is equal to the 0, when its angle is 0, that is tan 0 is equal to the 0. So keep 0 here, take tan this side, tan inverse of 0. So tan inverse of 0 is 0. Next, tan inverse of 1 be tan inverse of 1, this is equal to the, so when tan is 1, it is if tan pi by 4 is 1, that is tan pi divided by 4 equal to the 1. So if I take tan this side, this will become tan inverse 1 is equal to the pi by 4, that is tan inverse of 1 equal to the pi divided by 4. See, tan inverse of root 3, tan inverse of root 3. See, what is the value of this root 3? That is when tan is equal to the tan pi divided by 3 equal to the root 3, we know, therefore it is equal to the pi divided by 3, right? See, next is D, tan inverse of 1 divided by root 3. Tan inverse of 1 divided by root 3 is equal to the pi divided by 6, because tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. Next, E, tan inverse of minus 1. So see here, tan of minus theta will become minus tan theta. So there is nothing problem to do the problems of minus angle in the tan, we can write it directly. So this is minus pi divided by 4. See, I will write here tan of minus pi divided by 4 is equal to the minus tan pi divided by 4 is equal to the minus 1. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, tan pi by 4 is 1 minus 1, totally it is minus 1. Okay, next, F, tan inverse of minus root 3. See here, only plus root 3 is pi by 3, minus root 3 is minus pi divided by 3. Next, Z, tan inverse of minus 1 divided by root 3. So this is minus pi divided by 6, right? So these are the some basic problems regarding the inverse tangent function. Okay, so this is totally about the tan inverse function. Okay, tan x graph, tan inverse graph, its a definition and some problems. Okay, so dear students, I will continue the remaining graphs in the next class. So that is the remaining inverse functions. Okay, thank you.